With its Spanish colonial heritage, colorful indigenous people, lush rainforests, and bustling canal, Panama is at a crossroads of history, culture, and geography. What will come together here for you on a journey to this Central American republic?
I would like to introduce you, great guide here in Panama. He's actually our cruise director, Mr. Ian.
The 108-foot MS Discovery, a 24-passenger catamaran launched in 2004, was designed specifically for small group exploration.
The Discovery looks fantastic. It seems to be the proper size to have a lot of comfort and a lot of personality to it. Seems like a very safe ship.
Approaching the Panama Canal from the Pacific, ships large and small are lifted by a series of locks over the 500-foot-tall Continental Divide, before being lowered on the other side to complete their passage to the Caribbean Sea. 2014 marks the 100-year anniversary of the opening of this engineering marvel. Construction took the lives of about 25,000 workers and engineers. Approximately 500 people died for every mile of the canal they built.
Right now we are going through the Panama Canal locks on a beautiful, wonderful day. You know, blue sky, frigate birds, brown pelicans along. The crew member, the staff are just really working hard to make our stay here one of the most magnificent ones.
En route to the Caribbean, the Panama Canal opens up onto Gatun Lake. This area is best explored by kayak or small boat. With the creation of the lake during the construction of the Panama Canal, hilltops became islands, canyons became coves.
Very typical and representative of the other islands in the lake. Many islands in this Gatun Lake, freshwater body, a lot of shoreline with forest.
The Panamanian jungle serves as a terrestrial biological corridor between the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. It hosts some of the most densely packed and varied life on Earth.
This neck looks pretty big, so I would still guess it's a great egret. Yeah.
Our trip leader, Abdil's been wonderful. Been a great host, been very attentive to all of our needs. He sure has a lot of knowledge on everything that we've seen and been doing, the history, flora, animals, and it's been very entertaining, a lot of fun to be with.
At its essence, Panama is a cultural and geographical concentration, surrounding a waterway that divides two massive continents and ties together two major oceans. The crossroads of the Americas awaits.